How to fix Facebook dating not showing on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now search for the app Facebook. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open your settings app, scroll down, hit towards this option of general. Now open this option software update. If any updates are available for your device, update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back to the main page of settings, scroll down, open this option privacy and security. Now head towards this option of location services, toggle on for the option of location services. Likewise, go ahead and open this option of Facebook. Check in for the option of while using app. With that, you will be good to go. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, go to the main page of settings, open your Apple ID. Now open this option of media and purchases. Click on the option of view account. Now head towards this option of country or region. Click on change country or region. As if right now this feature is not available in all the countries, so go ahead and select the country where this feature is available. You can select the option of United States. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Facebook dating not showing on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.